Okay, so we are live. Hello, guys. Good morning. January 30th. So this is my daily analysis for euro dollar. So yeah, let's jump on the charts here. Prices heading down now for a pullback. But let's just take a look here at the weekly first, since we are starting the week. We had this push here on the week, and then now we are approaching a very good area, which is the EQ, the 50% of the swing move. So we probably could be heading to this weekly supply here, but let's continue. Yeah, so here, right, let me just remove this chalk here because we didn't have a chalk. So price on the daily is also bullish. Let me just check something here. Okay. And then you can see that like we did break with a fractal here on top of this one. And then the nearest low would be this low here. But as you can see also that price did not break this low. So we still on a bullish move. So this could probably mean that we want to go all the way up here, which aligns with that weekly supply. Let's jump. It's not very clear on the daily, so because it's kind of like sideways. Also here, right? So we were having we had this pullback. Price then failed to break the recent high on the swing structure, and then we made a bearish chalk right here, which is a very small move. But then price also broke the demand, which was the nearest demand that it would have to hold for this to continue. We broke this, but still, like, it didn't break the extreme lows of that pullback, which it could still come all the way down here and still go up. But this gives us even more confirmation that it wants to continue up. So then now we had another bullish chalk here, which we use the chalk to first give us a signal that it wants to continue in that direction. So this is the first signal which aligns with the swing, the weekly, the daily that we saw. And on the 15-minute, now we also can see that price was bearish here. It turned bearish, came to mitigate this extreme demand, and now the internal turned bullish again, which aligns with the daily, the weekly, the 4-hour, the weekly pullback, right? So, but as we know, like the weekly can take a while so you can see the whole move. So what else? So on the 15-minute, like I said, we turned bullish. Now we are having this pullback. So we could probably, now it came to mitigate this demand here. The only thing is that this didn't have any sweep and no inducement to this area. And also this is like you get it with experience, right? So like when you have this move, price, it tried to break the high and it couldn't. You know, like this push here, this first attempt was supposed to break this high and it couldn't. So like what it did instead, it came all the way down here. So like when this happens, it would probably be the best idea to wait for the sweep of these lows, or it could even come all the way down here, which is a better probability because we have that 4-hour demand, and we had this sweep of these zones, and this was the extreme demand of this move. So like this would be a better point of interest, but we could also see the sweep of this low, or like we could even wait for another change of direction inside here to then continue the move up. So yeah, market's live now. Let's see. I forgot to mention, this also aligns with the EQ. Like if we get a sweep of these lows, it also aligns with the EQ of this move. So let's see how it reacts to this area here now. And if you guys have any comments, leave it on the comments on YouTube, my channel. So let's go, guys.